Hello! Hello! My name is Teacher Twigs. Hi everybody, how are you doing today? Alright, great! Thank you for coming! Thank you folks at home. Alright, so today we're going to focus on pronunciation. So focus on little specific things for pronunciation in English. So the first thing that we're going to do today is we're going to take a pose test, okay? So the pose means perception of spoken English. So we're going to listen to the test, to different words, and you are going to try to hear if it's one word or the other, based on how it is, okay? So, based on your perception, do you hear the difference in the vowels or in the word, or no? So we're going to do the test, and we're going to go over it as a class, and then we'll talk about it. So this is available online, and we can make an account so that we can go over this throughout the semester, the term, however long we want to do it, and focus on things that are more difficult. Or you might have problems with hearing E sounds or A sounds. However we want to do it. Okay, so let's take the pose test. So listen to some different things. Okay. So what were some problem things for you? Did you hear them? Good. All right. So I'm going to show you a word, and I want you to see if you know how to say it. How do you say this word? Goti, gotai, guhad. So this is a famous made-up word. This is fish. GH, enough. Lesson. Motion. Fish. English can be hard. So that's why we're going to focus on pronunciation today. So English pronunciation can be hard. There's lots of different ways to say words, to write words, and different things. So now we're going to focus today on vowels. So what are the vowels in English? A, E, I, O, U, and Y, which is a semi-vowel. It's special. But so there are many different vowel sounds in English. It's very different from language to language. So there's long vowels and short vowels, and there's some other ones. So we're going to go over those today. And also we're going to go over a couple special words. So we have homophones, homographs, homonyms, and digraphs. So those are what we're going to go over. So homographs, it's written the same but said differently. Homophones, telephone, listen. Good. Words that are pronounced the same but yeah, they're pronounced the same but different spelling or meaning. For that, the homograph is the same, so it's written the same. Good, but it's said differently. So homonyms are a little special. We won't spend too much on that. You don't have to know all these 100%. We're just going to practice some of them so you can get used to hearing them. Because there are some tricks. For example, the bossy E rule. Does anyone know what this is? So if you have a vowel and a consonant and an E at the end, like B-I-T-E, how do you say that? Bite. The E makes the vowel say its name. Good. All right. And we can look at the chart. So the chart is some IPA. We don't have to get into that. A lot of people don't like it that much, but it's helpful for learning English. Okay. So first, we're going to do matching the homonym. matching the homophones. So we have, for example, OU, OW, those match. Okay. So how do you say it? Ow. Good. All right. And then you can fill in the gaps. So we have some sentences, and you have to try to write in what you hear. Okay. So for example, I ate my dinner at 8 o'clock. Write that down? Good. So we'll go through some of these. And now, for more practice, I have a tongue twister on the board. Can you say it? So, famous one. She sells seashells by the seashore. And we have a ton of those different ones like that. So we're going to practice saying those. So, she sells seashells. What vowel is that focused on? E, good. Long E and short E. She, sell, L, good. All right. Practice All right, great. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to have a text. Here's a text, and then you're going to try to change to find the word that is correctly written. Okay? So there's going to be lots of different homophones, and you have to find the correct spelling. Good. All right. And then for the assessment, what you're going to do is you're going to write a poem of 20 lines. So it can be very, very short, very short sentences like, I went to the sea, I had a cup of tea, but you're going to try to use different spellings and different words, okay? Make it so rhyming on that specific. And then we'll read them in class. So, all right, so that's everything. Thank you so much. Goodbye.